and CTP forms. Transcription begins by uncoiling of DNA at a specific site called promoter region of cystone. It takes place by DNA helicase. DNA polymerase II recognizes and binds to the promoter sequence. RNA polymerase II synthesis RNA always from 5 to 3 direction. Hence, among two strands of DNA, one strand 3 to 5 ends act as a template. See the coding strands and template strands and transcription. That is the formation of RNA from 5 to 3 direction. In that, you will see how thymine is replaced with uracil in RNA. See the process of transcription. Transcription bubble is formed. Non-template strand, template strand, active sites, RNA polymerase, unwinding, and new RNA is formed in green color, that is in 5 to 3 direction. The complementary base for template strands pairs to transcribe messenger RNA. When the RNA polymerase reaches the terminator point, synthesis of RNA stops up. Newly synthesized messenger RNA in eukaryotic cell is called hnRNA, that is a heterogeneous RNA. It undergoes post-transcriptional processes by splicing. The eukaryotic messenger RNA contains exons and introns. In splicing, introns are removed and exons are joined and in a defined order. hnRNA undergoes additional processing called as capping and tailing. In capping, an unusual nucleotides methyl guanosine triphosphate is added to the 5 ends of hnRNA. In tailing, adenylate residues are added at 3 ends as a template independent manner. Fully processed hnRNA, now called mRNA, is transported out of the nucleus for translation. Messenger RNA, it is the RNA that carries message from DNA to the site of protein synthesis. It represents about 5 to 10% of the total RNA of cell. It carries the genetic information in the form of triplet codons. The structure of a typical human protein coding messenger RNA including untranslational region, coding sequence CDS, messenger RNA is a single standard polynucleotide chain. The eukaryotic messenger RNA contains a cap at 5th end and composed of 7 methyl guanosine. It is absent in prokaryotic messenger RNA. Next to the cap, it has non-coding region called leader sequence. Next to has an initiator codon AUG. It initiates the protein synthesis. Eukaryotic messenger RNA molecule. See the diagrammatic view of this messenger RNA. Next to initiator codon, the codon sequence is present. It codes for a specific protein. It is called exon. Next to the terminated codon, UAA, UGA or UAG is present. It terminates the protein synthesis. Next to this, again non-coding region is present. In eukaryotic messenger RNA, poly A tail is present at the 3 end. Functions of ribosomal RNA. It helps in the binding of ribosomes to messenger RNA. It acts as an enzyme. Ribozymes helps in formation of peptide bonds during protein synthesis. See the structure of ribosome. Two parts are there, smaller subunits and larger subunits. Difference between DNA and RNA. DNA has high molecular weight, RNA has very low molecular weight. DNA is double standard polynucleotide chain, RNA is a single standard nucleotide chain. Deoxyribose sugar is the pentose sugar, ribose sugar is the pentose sugar in the RNA. Thymine is present, uracil is present in RNA. Unusual nitrogen base are absent, unusual nitrogen bases are present. Genetic material of living organism, genetic material of some of the viruses. RNA is the genetic material in some of the viruses like the retrovirus, example HIV. RNA polymerase is also called DNA dependent RNA polymerase. RNA polymerase 1 is found in nucleus and helps in synthesis of ribosomal RNA, hence nucleolus is called ribosome factory of cell. RNA polymerase 2 helps in synthesis of messenger RNA. RNA polymerase 3 helps in synthesis of transfer RNA. Ribosomal RNA is the insoluble RNA. Now box, it is a DNA sequence found in the promoter region of genes in prokaryote. It has the sequence of TA, TAA, TG. Tata box, the Tata box, Goldberg-Huggins box is a DNA sequence found in the promoter region of genes in the eukaryote. It has sequence of TAT, AAAT. Concept of gene. Gene is the basic unit of inheritance that expresses specific character. In the year 1857, Gregor John Mendel conducted hybridization experiment with pea plants. He called them as factors. In 1909, Danish botanist Johnson proposed that each portion of a chromosome that controls a phenotype is called gene. It's a Greek word, its meaning is to give or birth to. In 1941, George W. Beadle and Edward L. Tatum discovered that genes control the production of enzymes. They proposed one gene, one enzyme hypothesis. In 1944, Oswald T. Avery announced that DNA is the substance responsible for heredity. In 1950, Watson and Crick discovered chemical structure of DNA. The gene is made up of a specific sequence of DNA nucleotides. Seymour Benzer proposed modern concept of gene while working on E. coli and T for bacteriophage. According to him, gene is divided into 4 parts: histone, recon, muton and replicon. Histone is the structural gene. It is functional unit of DNA molecule that codes for a specific protein. Recon, it is the unit of DNA that undergoes recombination. Muton, it is a unit of DNA that capable of undergo mutation. Replicon, it is the unit of DNA that undergoes replication. Genetic code, the 3 specific nucleotide sequence that codes for a specific amino acids present in DNA is called genetic code. Codon, the 3 specific nucleotide sequence that codes for a specific amino acids present in messenger RNA called codon. Anticodon, the 3 specific nucleotide sequence that codes for a specific amino acids present in anticodon arm of transfer RNA is called anticodon. Anticodons are complementary to codons. General features of genetic code. The genetic code is triplet. Each codon is made up of 3 specific nucleotides. Genetic code is universal. Each codon codes for specific amino acids in all living organisms. Genetic codons are no overlapping. Adjacent codon never shares their nucleotides. Genetic code is commaless. There is no gap between neighboring codon. Genetic code is degenerative in nature. More than one codon codes for single amino acids. Example: GUA, GUG, GUC, GUU codes for valine. That is an amino acid. See the different types of codons. This is the complete genetic code. Blue color 3-letter word, that is amino acids. Red color stop is written that 3 codons known as nonsense codon or chain terminating codon, UAA, UAG and UGA. And AUG, that is green color, that codes amino acid methionine, MET, that is the chain initiating codon. Initiator codon, AUG, is the initiator codon that initiates the protein synthesis. It codes for amino acid methionine. Terminator codon, among 64 codons, 3 codons, UAG, UGA, UAA, does not code for any amino acids. These are called terminator codon or nonsense codon. Genetic code is unambiguous. Each codon codes for specific amino acids and only one amino acids. The codon UU codes for the amino acids phenylalanine only. Genetic code is unidirectional. Codon reads only in 5 to 3 direction. Vowel base in each codon, third nitrogenous base is less specific. Transfer RNA, the RNA that carries and transports activated amino acid to the site of protein synthesis is called transfer RNA. It represents about 10 to 15% of the total RNA in the cell. The polynucleotide chain is folded on itself to have the shape of a clover leaf. Clover leaf model of transfer RNA was proposed by American biochemist Robert Hawley in the year 1965. He shared the Nobel Prize in Physiology in 1968. See the structure of transfer RNA. Transfer RNA is a single standard polynucleotide chain. It folds in some region and resembles as a trifoliate leaf of clover plant. It contains 4 arms as amino acids binding site or acceptor arm, TC arm and loop, DHU arm and loop, anticodon arm and loop. Rarely small 5th arm is present, is called variable arms. The 5 end has the methylated guanosine and 3 end has the free nitrogen base CCA. Each arm has paired base pair stem and unpaired base pairs loop. Amino acids acceptor arm has 7 base pair and 3 unpaired base CCA at the 3 ends. Therefore, amino acids always binds to adenine present in the 3 ends. TC arms and loop contains unusual sequence of nucleotides as thymine, T, pseudouridine and cytosine. It helps to bind ribosomes at the time of protein synthesis. DHU arm and loop contains dihydrouridine. It helps to recognize specific amino acids activating enzymes aminoacyl synthetase. The anticodon loop contains 7 unpaired nitrogen bases. Among them, 3 nucleotides act as an anticodon, which are complementary to codon of messenger RNA function. It carries specific amino acids towards the site of protein synthesis. See the structure, various structure of transfer RNA. Three-dimensional view of transfer RNA. Ribosomal RNA, rRNA. rRNA is the structural and functional unit of ribosome. It represents nearly 80% of the total RNA in the cell. See in the diagram how that ribosome RNA forms the ribosomes units. rRNA protein subunits to 30S, 50S, 70S in the case of prokaryotes. In the eukaryotes, 2 subunits are 40S and 60S, together forms 80S type of ribosomes.